Welcome back. Yes, we renthouses.com. Folks, I am in a 2-bedroom unit. You cannot believe the view. Folks, wait till you see the view at the corner of Maryland and North Avenue. Spacious unit, hardwood floors, granite countertops, really nice appliances. Cabinets are clean. Folks, this unit is ready to be leased. Visit www.yeswerenthouses.com to apply today. Plenty of closet space, folks. Plenty of space here. 2 bedrooms. This is the bathroom. Comes with a washer. Bathroom super duper clean. Folks, apply today. Here's one of the bedrooms. I'm going to walk you in. Every bedroom has a window, walk-in closet. I'm going to walk you into the other bedroom. This bedroom doesn't have a light right now. Light bulb blew out, but check out the view. You have the Parkway Theater in walking distance. You have the Motown Restaurant right across the street. You have Joe Squared Restaurant right across the street, and MICA is right across the street as well. Folks, this unit will not last long. Apply today at yeswerenthouses.com. See you soon.